Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to build a battery operated cap. It's a fan cap, right? As you can see, a fan. Alright, I've already done a little bit of the work, like make the hole over here. I made the hole over here. Here there's the motor wire going through here, and there's a hole here, and the wire is coming out here. Alright, so this is again a two-part series. I don't know why I said again, but this is a two-part series. Right, so first part I'm going to teach you how to build a battery operated fan cap, and the second part I'm going to teach you how to build a solar energy powered fan cap. Alright, so let's get started. First I'm going to teach you how to do the wiring. So first you're going to need a on button, right? On button, and I'm using a 9-volt battery, so 9-volt battery connector, right? Right, and now there's one thing you have to be really careful of, right? So that thing is that the 9-volt battery, so if you connect the positive side to one side of the motor and the negative side to another side of the motor, it will spin clockwise, suppose. And if you turn that around, it will spin anti-clockwise. So you have to make sure about that, right? Because if it spins a different way, then the air will come backwards, but you want it to go forwards, right? So I'll tell you exactly in a moment after I finish doing the wiring. Alright, first you connect the motor, one side of the one wire of the motor with a black wire over here, right? So I'll be back. I'm back. I connected the on button wire with the battery connector wire. I just realized that in the last clip I said motor instead of on button, so I'm sorry about that, but I mean the on button with the battery wire. So now what you do is you connect the other on button wire with this, and the other battery wire with this. Alright, so I'll just see you after doing these two wires. So as you can see, I connected all the wire. Alright, now let's put a battery and see how it works. If it works. Alright, I connected the battery. One sec. I'll just pick this up. Alright. So it's a bit hard because I'm holding the camera in one hand, and with the other hand I have to do this. And as you guys can see, it's working. And I'll give you a little more info about the thing I was saying earlier about the air coming the side. So basically it should spin clockwise. The motor the fan should spin clockwise. If it spins anti-clockwise, then you have to change a little bit of the wiring, right? So you can see my fan is spinning clockwise, so it's fine, right? But it might be different for you guys, I don't know, but so just check. The air just should be coming front. More air should be coming front than more at the back, because there will be some air coming back, but more should be coming in the front, right? That's it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to make a battery holder, right? First, so all the sizes of the cardboard will be in the description below, right? First, you need a cardboard piece, right? I'll tell you the sizes will be in the description. Alright, you have to start by putting a hole in the middle. So I'll just do that and come. Alright, so I put a hole through this. Now what you do is you take just unscrew the battery wire, right, and you put it through the hole and stick it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have stuck it as well. I've connected and stuck it. Right, now what you do, you take your bottom piece, right, this, and you stick it like this. Alright, and then you take the other piece and stick it right here. Got it? Alright, I'll be back after doing it. So guys, as you can see, I've stuck everything, right? So now what you do is you take the smaller piece, right? Alright, and you put it on the side, Right, and you take this and you do it, put it on the other side. I'll just do that and be back. So guys, our holder is ready. Now all we do is put like this and put tape over it. I'm sorry for the mess. I used a bit too much glue, hot glue, so that's why. And I'm also gonna put a little bit of double-sided tape over here so it's more secure. So I'll just do that. So guys, as you can see, I put the double-sided tape. Now I'll just put the battery. Just yeah. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze. I guess it's a little long, but as you can see, it fits perfectly. Alright, so this is pretty much it. Alright, and okay, so guys, so as you can see, I have made the battery holder. Right, you might be able to see it over here. Right, so this battery holder, right, we're going to stick it right here, like this. Alright, you can stick it anywhere, but I'm just going to stick it here. Right, I'll stick that there. Okay, and the on-off button, I'll stick it on here. Alright, and like that I'm going to stick all of that, and after that I'll come back to you. So guys, I'm done sticking the stuff with the super glue. Right, so that's it for the video, and as you can see, it is working completely well. So here's my battery holder, all my connections, my on button, everything. Right, so that's it for today's video. And if you guys like my channel and my videos, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for my channel. Right, and stay tuned for the second part, which will be about the solar panel powered cap. Alright, and I'll see you in the next vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.